Welcome. In front of me is a WePo S5, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold the power key and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. And from the boot mode, select the first option, which is recovery mode using only volume up, and then confirm it with volume down. Now next thing you should see is the Android with no command, and to get past this all you need to do is hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take you to recovery mode. And from here you can reboot the system, which will go back to Android, reboot the bootloader, apply updates from either ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, backup data, restore, check the integrity of your root, on system, view recovery logs, run some tests, and simply power off the device. Now you select all these options using volume keys like so, and once it's selected you will need to confirm it with power key. So if I for instance want to leave this mode, I will select reboot system now and confirm it with power key. And as you can see, it basically boots out of it and goes back to Android. And we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.